Now second is the inverse part. Okay. Now we have gone through the converse. Now we are on the inverse for the conditional statement. Now definition. Now the definition states that the inverse of a given conditional is a new conditional whose hypothesis and conclusion are negation of original hypothesis and original conclusion. Respectively. Now P implies Q. To this what we can write it? If P then Q. Okay. Now the converse part, sorry, not converse, inverse. The inverse will be if negation of P then negation of Q. Okay. And this follows, this goes for the negation of P implies negation of Q. Okay. Now let us go for the truth table. Now we are having PQ and P implies Q. Okay. So we are already aware it will be both true, true false, false true, false false. So the result will be true, false, true, true. Now we want negations of the original hypothesis, that is negation of the original conclusion. Now this becomes false and false because here it is true and true, so this becomes false and false. Then false and true, true and false, true and true. Okay. So negation of P implies negation of Q. Now what the result will be? Now the result will be true, true, false and true. Okay. Because only one thing was there, that was here. For this part it is true, false becomes false. Now we are having true, false becomes false. Earlier it was here, now it is here. This is here, this goes to that side. Okay. So now let us go with an example. Now suppose the statement for P implies Q. Now if the animal is a bird, then it has wings. What the inverse will be? negation of P implies negation of Q. If the animal is not a bird, then it will not have wings. Very simple. Is it clear?